today's video is starting outside because I have just finished the priming of the 3 parts of the helmet. You can see there we have the top, we have the faceplate, and then over here we have the jaw. So these 3 parts will be held together using magnets, as well as the faceplate will have a hinge mechanism, which I'll be showing later in the video. Alright guys, so the next part is, now that it's spray painted, I'm going to install the servos into here. All I have done is place them in the 3D printed bracket, link will be in description, and connected it to the Wesmos board. The electronics are pretty easy to install, so for them, what we have here is the Wesmos board connected with one servo to D7 and another to D5. The servos are up there with their own power supply. So basically you take the positive and negative of each servo and connect them to the end of a USB cable. And then out here we just have 2 helper arms connected to the side of the faceplate so that when I open the faceplate, it's forced to go up in a nice smooth way coming back rather than just being able to flip. And it'll come down the same way. So now that the electronics are in place, the next thing we're going to do is upload the code. The code will be available in the link below. It will connect it to Cineric Pro, allowing you to control it from your phone simply by inputting some information such as the Wi-Fi, the device ID, as well as your app key for the device. So to find that information, you'll see it on Cineric Pro. When you just create the device, you're just going to create a switch and then input that information into the code, as well as the information for your hotspot to connect the device to. Once that's done, we're going to come over here in our Arduino. I'm going to hit upload, and it's going to compile and then send it over to the helmet. And when that's done, the helmet will be completed with the Wi-Fi code enabled. So I'm going to come back once it's finished, and I will have the chest plate set up so we can talk to the helmet. Alright y'all, so now that the helmet is done, it is connected to my phone via hotspot like I explained a moment ago, and the chest plate is turned on, so I'm going to send the command to close the helmet. Computer, mask on. Computer, mask off. Computer, mask off. As you can see, it listens to my commands. And the reason I am wearing a ski mask underneath the helmet is to prevent it from scratching my face while wearing it, because these 2 bits here are sharp and do scratch my skin when putting it on and off. Computer, mask on. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope y'all learned something useful. Have a great day.